Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to renew your listing on Facebook Marketplace. So now, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome, or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now, you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. Now you need to go to selling so you can see the list of your listings. We click on selling. Here you will find the list of your listings and all it remains to do is to go to this 3 point button or action and click on it and it will pop up this little menu. And of course, you will find the first button or the first option is renew. And basically, you can renew your listing once per 7 days or once a week. So basically, my listing didn't remain or sit for 1 week, so that's why I can't renew it. But basically, you will be able to renew it if you didn't renew it from in the week. And basically all you need to do is to click on it and your listing will be renewed successfully. So basically this is how you can renew your listing on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for watching and see you next time.